Ladies and gentlemen, just a quick catch up. Now it's autumn here in the UK. As you can see, this is my front garden. I've been busy, been weeding, cutting things back. There's my Japanese anemone there. Got my hostas, my geraniums, perennial ones, my lilies. Oh, my cat Snowy. Yeah, these are hollyhocks I've cut back. Just trying to come back. I sprayed them the other day for powdery mildew and rust. As you can see, the caterpillars really do love these plants. Just a quick walk around. Yeah, these are lovely scented lilies when they're flowering. And because it's been that mild, even my carnation, my pink, has started to flower again. I took some cuttings off this, so I'm just setting the greenhouse up. So what I'm going to do is take some more cuttings off these because they really do smell divine. Wow, even this time of year. Seeds there, as you can see. Ready for, hear them rattle. They're ready for collecting. They're looping seeds. I got this from the pound shop 3 years ago, and it really does flower well now. This is a peony. Wow, look at these. Still look amazing. Echinacea all the way around. My lovely tree. Look at the amount of stuff I've got here. All this is going to be put on the back garden and left to break down. Put it on the garden next year then as compost. Quick buzz around. The bottom border. These pots are going to be taken out and the lily bulbs are going to be divided and planted back up. So yeah, everything's really finished now, apart from hanging baskets are absolutely loving this weather. It's a bit darker and it's still mild, so they're flowering really well. All these pelargoniums that I've grown from seed, these will be going in the greenhouse next few days. Take some cuttings off those. Hanging baskets here. And one of my people on Instagram, Firework Cracker, something like that, she's named that one. So I'm taking some cuttings off that one as well. But these pelargoniums, I'm so pleased with them. So, first you've ever grown from seed. Right, nearly finished. Just right, these are the daylilies here. And then we've got forget now, Queen Mum. I always forget the name of this. Agapanthus, that's it. And they'll be getting divided and put in the greenhouse somewhere frost free. Spin round. Next time you see it, it should be a lot tidier, hopefully. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.